Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to unlock Microsoft Excel that you unable to edit. Let's say you already you got your file from your colleague or from your company that you unable to edit this Microsoft Excel. How to solve this problem? You go to File, and then you can click this info on the left here, and then here you can see this workbook or this Microsoft Excel file is protected by somebody. So you just click Unprotect. If you're not able to click Unprotect, it means that the owner or the author of the files is disallow you to edit, restrictly edit this file. So you can contact the author here. Here you maybe from your colleague, your supervisor, or your superintendent, and so on, or your peers maybe. Okay, that's it. This is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.